Cleaning's a really critical part of the food and beverage industry because if you think about food and beverage manufacturing, it's very heavily a batch process. You move from one product to the next, or you move from one batch of that product to the next batch of that product. And in between, you have to make sure that your equipment is clean because you could have residual of one product, you could have residual cleaning chemicals, and you also have to remember that sometimes those residuals, whether they are sugar or proteins or starches, or even some leftover contamination from your source water, that those could then become food for microbial growth. So ultimately, cleaning is really trying to make sure that the product meets its quality and that it's safe for human consumption. Really, that's the critical piece for cleaning. One way to look at overall cleanliness can be adopting that total organic carbon view of what's happening inside of that vessel. The other nice thing about using that as a tool for cleaning is that your source water also contains organics that you want to move through water treatment. It contains things like plant and animal matter decay, also industrial effluents that might be in that source water. So you ultimately want to know what your source water is coming in at and what you're using as rinse water so that you can determine what your quality targets are for that cleaning cycle.